Solana Gear has truly become one of my new favorite online shopping discoveries. And I can't stop recommending them to friends because every part of my experience has been so enjoyable and surprisingly impressive. From the moment I landed on their website, I could tell this brand puts real thought into how customers interact with their products. The design is clean, modern, and easy to navigate, making me want to browse every single section. The product photos are high quality and show every angle, and the descriptions are detailed enough to feel confident about what I'm buying. What really stood out to me is how Solana Gear creates items that strike the perfect balance between stylish design and everyday practicality, blending comfort, durability, and personality in a way that makes each product feel like it belongs in my daily lifestyle. When my order arrived, the packaging itself felt premium, neatly arranged, secure, and clearly prepared with care so everything arrived in perfect condition. As soon as I opened the box, I could see that the quality was even better than expected. The materials feel solid and long-lasting, the colors are rich and vibrant, and the craftsmanship shows attention to every tiny detail, which gave me instant confidence that what I bought will hold up for a long time. I love when a brand makes unboxing feel special, and Solana Gear absolutely nailed that feeling. Everything just gives off the vibe of a company that takes pride in what they create and wants customers to feel genuinely happy with their purchase. Another thing that really impressed me was the communication and customer support. They kept me updated with tracking information, responded quickly to a minor question I had, and were friendly and thoughtful in their tone, making the whole experience smooth and stress-free. It is incredibly refreshing to shop from a brand that treats customers like real people and not just a sale. The shipping was also faster than I expected, and the sizing and fit of the products were spot on, which shows they truly understand what customers are looking for. After trying out the items, I can confidently say they are comfortable, functional, and look even better than the photos online. Overall, Solana Gear gives off the impression of a company that is passionate about innovation, quality, and creating products that feel exciting every time you wear or use them. Whether it's the sleek aesthetics, the thoughtful designs, the fast and reliable delivery, or the wonderful support team, everything about this brand has won me over. Shopping with Solana Gear feels like an upgrade to the everyday, stylish but practical, bold yet trustworthy, and constantly delivering a premium experience without any complications. I'm already planning my next purchase because it's rare to find a brand that makes you feel this satisfied and confident, and I can honestly say Solana Gear has earned a loyal customer in me for the long run.